Hello and welcome to my new video. This is my video about Nyan cats. Probably everywhere because like weird Nyan cats. Watch this. I just discovered it. Of course, one of the most famous person in Animal Jam. Nyan too. Yeah. Weird name, my crush. His name is the name of my crush. What now? Now all you have to do is like, wait, watch. Man, there are a lot of flies. Excuse me. You can like get them off. Hey, yo! Oops, stop these. So many cats. Check this out. So many Nyan cats! What? So weird. Ooh, big one. Big one. And it's playing the Nyan song all over and over again. Well, that's all for today, Jammers. And if you're wondering the costume, I like dressing up as a poor person. Yeah. And no. So, I get trade tip all the time. So, yeah, bye. I'm not doing that. Ooh, jump one again.